Hey everyone, welcome back to DelphStack Tech Tutorials. In today's quick video, I will show you how to print notes from PowerPoint slides, step by step. First, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure that notes are already written below each slide, just like this. Let me drag it here. These are my notes written, and I want to print these, so I will go to File. Now scroll down and you can see the option Print. In the print settings, click on it from the drop-down menu. Now you can see the notes pages. Click on this. You can see my notes have already appeared on the page here in the preview section. Now what you will do is just click on print. I'm downloading the print version. Let me name it as PPT and save. So that's it. Your slides will print along with the notes for easy reference. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.